In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bend an object in Blender. If you find the video useful, please consider liking and subscribing. So let's get right into it. To start off with, I've just gone ahead and grabbed myself a cube. I've just placed the cube down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to transform the cube here. I'm going to scale it and I'm just going to make it into like a rectangle, just like that. So once you're happy with your rectangle or the object that you're trying to go ahead and bend, what you want to do is make sure that you've gone ahead and selected it, and you want to go over to object mode. Now we want to go onto it and right click it, subdivide it, right click again and subdivide, and this time we want to go up. You can go up to 10 cuts and just make sure the whole thing has been selected like that. Once you've gone ahead and done that, we can go back into object mode here and make sure it's selected again, and you want to go over to the right hand window here. And we're looking for this one here, which is called modifiers. And you want to go ahead, click on modifiers and add modifier. And there's tons you can add, but the one that I'm going to add here is a simple deform like this. Now you can see it's going to be a very weird shape to start off with. You want to go ahead and select the bend option. And then for the angle, you want to put it on the angle of bend that you want. So for me, I'm going to put 180 as I want it 180 degree bend. Now it still doesn't look quite right, and we have to go ahead and we have to go to object, go down to where it says apply and all transformations here like that, and you can see it's now created a bend. You'll probably also want to go ahead and apply it here. That will basically apply the modifier to it. So now it's going to stay as a bent object here, which we can go ahead and you can see we can move, we can rotate it, and of course you can decrease the amount of curve. I just did 180 just for example, but really it's as simple as that to go ahead and do. So if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below if it helped, and let me know if there's any other questions about this or anything else to do with Blender. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.